Good morning, students. I am Renu, your maths teacher, and this is 7th class. We are with the topic integers. We have start our exercise 1.1. We have completed 2 questions of this exercise. Today we will start the third question. Firstly, we will read the statement and then we will solve it. So what is said in third question on page number 4, exercise 1.1. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Means on Monday temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next day it drop means is decrease. It get decreased by minus 5 degrees Celsius, and how much it decreased? It decreased 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So we have to tell that what was temperature on Tuesday. On the next line they said on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. On Wednesday it increased 4 degrees Celsius. So we have to tell what was the temperature on this day. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. They are telling about 3 days temperature. Start with one day. So let us start. Temperature of Srinagar on Monday. It is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature drop on Tuesday. How much it dropped? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. They have said drop, so we write minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. It is, we have to 5 degrees Celsius. It is of minus plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. So it becomes minus 5 degrees Celsius. When plus and minus, it becomes minus 2 degrees Celsius. So it becomes minus 7 degrees Celsius. So we can say on Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now we have to discuss about the temperature on Wednesday. They say on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature rose on Wednesday. How much it rose? It rose 4 degrees Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday is equal to, we have to take the temperature of Tuesday, the temperature which was on Tuesday, on Wednesday, from this temperature it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So it is minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. It is of negative, it is positive, so both are of different signs, so it becomes 3 degrees Celsius. 7 is larger than this, so we will take the point sign of minus. So this is minus 3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday and minus 7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Let us do our next question. Firstly, we will read the statement and then we will do our question. So our fourth question is, a plane is flying at a height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. They saying about the sea level, a plane is flying at this height. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters. There is a submarine who is floating under the water, and the distance of the submarine and sea level is 1200 meters. What is the vertical distance between them? We have to told the distance between plane and submarine. We can say this, if this is a sea level, the plane is above it, here it is plane, and the submarine is below, it is submarine. So we can say if this is the point, on that point the plane is at 5000 meter and submarine is 1200 meter. It is on below and it is. So we have to ask about the total distance between the plane and between the submarine. So fourth question is, we will write distance between plane and sea level. meter. Distance between submarine and sea level is equal to 1200. One is above the sea level, plane is above the sea level, and submarine is below the sea level. So when we have to told about the total distance, we will add the terms. Total distance between plane and submarine is equal to, we will add the terms, it is 0026 meter. Okay, let us move to our next question. Our next question is fifth question. Okay, student, this is all for today. We will do the next question next time.